YouTube now displays posts in the Shorts feed. There will be a little rectangle similar to the upcoming live stream one, and clicking on it will slide open the latest short of the channel associated with the short. So if you're already using posts but haven't had the drive to upload shorts yet, now would be a good time to start, as you will get more visibility to your posts. And on the other way around, if you upload shorts but haven't published any posts yet, now would be a good time to start thinking about integrating them into your content strategy. YouTube promotions are also getting a small upgrade where your promotions will be visible in the YouTube main app. You can just simply click on the U tab and go to promotions to have a look at them, edit them. And if you want to add a video to a promotion or start a promotion for a video, you can go to the watch page on the YouTube main app and click the little rectangle chip underneath the video and can use that to start the promotion process. You all know my opinion on promotions. If the underlying content is not good, no amount of money thrown at promotions will give you sustainably new viewers. So instead, you should maybe not waste money on promotions, but maybe talk about content strategy a little bit. So if you want to do that, we are up for that. Please feel free to contact us, and yeah, let's figure out how we can make your channel a little bit better. Finally, we are still collecting some questions on our upcoming KWMedia Q&A livestream. So if you have any content creator or YouTube related questions, please let us know in the comments below. Or as we now have access to the YouTube fan community on our channel, you can post or publish a post on it via the YouTube main app. Just visit our channel, click on fan community, and yeah, send your post. Please keep in mind, posts are only available for people that have subscribed to our channel, but you already have done that since you want to be kept up to date on YouTube's latest updates. All right. Of course, we do monitor and moderate as appropriate. So yeah, please keep the screenshots a little bit on the safe side. All right. Cool. That's all for this week. Take care and see you next week.